Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and this is Simple Tech 100 guys. So guys, in today's video we want to look at how to make a generator using a synchronous motor. Actually, this is 220 to 240 volts synchronous motor, and this is 4 watts synchronous motor guys. So we want to use it as a generator, and here is the mini motor we are using. DC motor. This is DC motor. Here is an AC. So guys, as you can see, our project has been completed. Here's the 9-volt battery, and here's our switch. This is the DC motor that we rotate this, our synchronous motor. This synchronous motor is 220 volt guys, and it is 4 watts. Don't know if you can see it. This is 4 watts guys, and here is a 10 watts LED bulb. So we want to test our project now guys, so let's test it. So guys, as you can see, we've already changed our battery. We cannot use the 9-volt battery because it is just a 9-volt, doesn't have enough amps to power it. So this is 3.7-volt battery guys, and this is 3000 milliamps. So we want to use it to test our generator now guys. So let's try it. So let's switch it on. So guys, as you can see, our project is working. As you can see guys, not too much noise. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next video guys. Thank you. We want to test it with this another LED bulb guys. As you can see, this is 220 volt or so. So guys, as you can see,